I do this for me. It's not about you or them or us. Simply me. What would be the point in changing for you? I accept you for you. Please accept me for me. The movement I feel is the soul talking about what I agreed to do in this life. You may be part of it. You may even last a lifetime. You may last a day. Your moving on doesn't change me, nor my moving on doesn't change you. We each walk our path, separate and alone, perhaps carrying memories. If pain is involved, it is a choice. But don't carry around what isn't yours. Just give it back to whomever it belongs. Lighten your backpack. It is full already of your lessons, your life, your stories. Say goodbye with a smile and a heartfelt thanks, and simply keep moving forward. Perhaps adding a dance to your step. We are only here for a little while. How do you wish to proceed?